Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So today we're gonna make apple jam marmalade, and they call that in German. So we're gonna make the jam, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Stay tuned and enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We're done washing them. Right now you're gonna slice them. Mama, do you see? We're supposed to slice them like this.
I want to eat that turn.
Wait. I'm gonna cut you. Okay, they'll take you and me. I love you. I'll put one lemon like that. Like this. Teaching to show how to bake it's not to bake, but to make apple marmalade jam. Then you can make this when you go to Kenya. And then it's biting all of them. What do with this baby? Mama, be a grandson. And then you're biting every apple.
Stop.
So, and then, what are you doing? And sit well, sit well. Hey, the new leaf is in jar. So his mouth. Right there.
What I want to be seen doing something. How busy is there?
You're almost done.
What a minute, you show me I'm looking myself. Play my part. Look at my part.
So, good. Oops. So, we're almost done. Guys, we're done. Mama kata hivi. Ameweka kwa pan.
Inapikwa?
Of course.
Yeah, I didn't know.
So, we're going on the other side. I'll put them in the pan. You have to cook this for like some, and it will become soft. Come here, I'm too gonna put them total. Yeah, that's what you do. Like this one, I need water. Like 1 cup of water. Don't put too much. And then you cover it, make kifuniko. You cover it. And wait now for 10 minutes. Ili prepare tuanze ile ingine. So I'm gonna open it. So I think it's almost. Just give it like another 5 minutes. Hajakuwa bado mzuri vizuri. Five minutes and then we'll remove it. So guys, that is almost ready. I'm now going to put it on the side to cool. So let me cover it. Good. So right now we're going to squeeze our lemon juice. Have some lemon juice. Ifika huku chini, suruali huku chini. Mgongo. Mama. So So guys, right now we're gonna blend our apple. So I'm gonna add our lemon juice. I'm gonna add 250 grams of sugar. Okay, and then we add our what do you call it? Food color. That's small. One, you can add the color of your choice. So let's do the moto tena. So guys, my camera was not recording. I just added the sugar and the food color, and then you just leave it to cook, and then you look after our consistency to be good. Then you can remove it. Right now it's not yet good. Leave it for some few minutes. So guys, right now we're going to remove it and let it cool. And then, yeah, this is our apple jam. They need to be light, they need to be thick, then the middle. Mama, piga thick, mama sema iko sawa. Yaani yapinge. So now switch off the light, turn off the heat, and then take it to the other side. So guys, right now we're just going to boil our 4 glasses. So you're gonna put our jam, and then yeah, because it's very, very important to do that because of hygiene, you need to boil it. I'm gonna open this one. Just what I know too. So then you cover it. We are ready. I'm gonna open this sissy chafu. Let me serve our jam. Oops. Throw it again. Imetokea smart. Put the other one here. We made two. You didn't say that no. 2 containers of apple. Guys, the jam is really good, very tasty, very, very tasty. Mama, it's very, very good. Wow. Now I need a bread. Very tasty.